you. Thanks for stopping by to watch my video. I have a terrific fish taco with cilantro slaw recipe for you today. And I will have all of your ingredients listed below. So without further ado, let's get started. I have a terrific piece of cod fish and I am slicing them into 1-inch slices. So next I'm seasoning it with some Cajun seasoning, some granulated garlic, some granulated onion, some salt and some pepper. And you know me, you gotta season both sides because we eat both sides. So I'm getting ready to flip this over and put the same seasonings on the other side. Whoa. Now I'm going to set this to the side and we're going to make a lovely beer batter. Yes, a lovely beer batter. So I have some cornstarch in the bowl. I've just added some flour. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, some granulated garlic. And you guys know I put granulated garlic in just about everything. I don't know what I would do if granulated garlic went away. I think I would just be so sad. I know I would be. So anyway, I'm going to stir to combine this. And next, I'm going to get the liquids together. So I have water. Into the water, I'm going to add a beer. Now me, I am a Corona and Blue Moon chick, but I didn't have any. So, hey, I had the Miller, so that's what we're using. So I'm stirring all that to combine. I've poured it into the flour mixture. And next I'm going to add an egg. And I'm going to stir that to combine. I'm going to set this to the side so that it can set up a little bit for me. All right, in the meantime, I put some flour on the fish because you need to flour the fish so that the batter will stick to the fish. So I'm just coating both sides with flour. And I'm also getting the grease hot. So in a pot, I have canola oil, or you can use peanut oil or whatever oil you would like to use, avocado oil or even coconut oil. So anyway, I'm heating the oil to 350 degrees. And I have dipped the fish into the batter and now I'm putting it into the oil. You want to be very careful here because the grease is extremely hot. If it pops on you, you will be burned and you'll have blisters. So we don't want any of that tragedies happening. So just be cautious when you put the fish into hot oil. So we're going to fry this until it's a nice golden brown. And I'm going to take it out once it's browned and I'm going to set it on a paper towel in a rack. So that it can, one, release a lot of that excess oil because I don't want that in my taco. Okay, so now it's time to get the slaw together. So I have some slaw, some cabbage, some shredded cabbage. To that, I'm adding some cilantro. I added some Marie's coleslaw dressing, and I'm adding some mayo, some salt and some pepper, and then I'm going to stir this to combine. And this is just a very simple coleslaw recipe, but it is so great on the taco. So let's get ready to get these tacos together. So now we're getting ready to brown or warm up the corn tortillas. Now, these are store-bought, but one day I'm going to have a whole video for you on how to make corn tortillas. But for now, we're taking the shortcut, and we have store-bought ones. I'm warming them up. All right, here are your tacos all put together. They are so delicious, you guys. You have to make them, and you have to tell me how they turned out for you. And as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up, you guys.
Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.